Good morning, friends. We are going to get started on our morning meeting for today. We are going to start with our good morning songs. Today, let's start with English. So I need 2 hands up. Get your fingers ready. Here we go. Good morning. Good morning. How are you? How are you? Very well, thank you. Very well, thank you. How about you? How about you? Very good. Ahora en español. Buenos días, buenos días. ¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás? Muy bien, gracias. Muy bien, gracias. ¿Y usted? ¿Y usted? Muy bien, estudiantes. Okay, now it is time to get started on our calendar, our calendario. I have some very exciting news today, my friends. It is the last day of our month. We finished our whole calendar. We have one more day, which is today, and tomorrow we're going to start all over again. So let's look at our numbers down here. If yesterday was Monday, ayer fue lunes, today is Tuesday, martes. Now let's look down here at our numbers. We have the number 30 here. 30 was the number we had yesterday on our calendar, so today we need another number. So I'm going to think. I'm going to use my counting skills to remember the sequence of our numbers. 29, 30, 31. I'm going to put a 3 first, tres primero, después uno. Then I'm going to put a 1. The 3 goes first, and then a 1. Pone juntos, we put them together, and we get 31. 31. Very good, my friends. Now let's say the date. Today is Tuesday, March 2020. Hoy es martes, marzo de 2020. Now it's time to sing our songs for our calendar. Today is Tuesday, today is Tuesday, all day long, woo, all day long, woo. Yesterday was Monday, tomorrow will be Wednesday. Ding dong ding, ding dong ding. Ahora en español. Hoy es martes, hoy es martes, todo el día, todo el día, ayer fue lunes, mañana va a ser miércoles, ding dong dan, ding dong dan. Very good, students. That is our last morning meeting for March. Tomorrow it'll be April. Can't wait to see you then. Have a good day.